Hello, my name is Nairi. I represent Employee Services Department under the Division of Institutional Planning and Operations. Each summer, our Facilities Department provides an employment opportunity for current Rutgers students and full-time 10-month Rutgers staff. Please take the next few minutes to see the job in action and to learn more about the program.
I am a student worker at Nelson Dining Hall. Some people go to other buildings, they clean out trash, they clean out windows, general maintenance like the main lobbies. Here on Livingston we have the new student orientation, so people go in, make sure everything's clean for them, and then when they're gone, clean everything up for them. Every day is more or less the same thing. I do trash every day. Some people again vacuum, clean, sweep, clean the windows every day.
We hire about 10 to 15 students. And what these students do is they help us clean out our buildings that we have all summer to get them clean and ready for opening. We also have deadline projects that have to be done in a week or two. We hire the summer workers to help us with those deadline projects, and those projects can vary. We could be doing painting loading dock gates or painting their entire loading dock. We could be stripping and waxing tile floors in some of the dorms. We could be power washing walls. They're getting themselves into work, for one. There's definitely work here. So what they can take away from that is that although you're coming in, you're getting yourself in for work, you're gonna have to work with people. You won't be working alone. You will work with my full-time staff. And I think the best thing about what I encourage the summer workers to do is take on a night shift, is because if they're going to take summer classes and still need to make money, this is the best way to do both. It won't affect your morning classes that you're taking during the summertime, and you have time to, after your class, get yourself together, get here at 3:30, and work to 12 midnight. And one of the other benefits, I think, is that they need to know what they're coming into is constant teamwork. So if they're looking for any experience about how to work with others and work as a team, this is the place they want to be.
So apply online today, and please do not hesitate to contact us for further details. Welcome to the team.